Say it war. See it there, you see it. You see. Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. At the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
I see my challenge to put that tree them.
Okay, for go higher.
Yeah man, I go higher heights. You know, in our kind of level, he said, let me tell you something. The earth going to walk man shit to do no one right there and hop on the heights, higher heights in there. Yeah man. Some of the things say the earth walk me put that tree and go down there too. He said, by the time you put that tree down there, you hop on heaven.
Oh, you die.
You hop on
Is
heaven.
she there?
You hop on heaven. He said,
Oh God.
a sample.
No sir. Alone. Mango supposed to put Johnson Hill curry down. I think me here is a mango up there.
One and two little bonsai mango. I'm going to talk to you.
So the mango there. See mango on the tree there in a curry.
They will look at the mango tree then. The mango tree then just have that something.
Then how then late so curry?
Mango. First crop.
Hey curry, the mango tree are holding up.
Oh, yeah, it's a number 11, yeah?
This is a number 11 mango tree.
You see the number, yeah? You find no worm in the mango, yeah? Oh. You see the first one that will drop off for the
Fear worm.
Fear worm and running belly, man. The belly run like young goat. Yeah, man. Man, there, they first set a mango.
The first mango they are there,
yeah? They first one. You swear, you know, I tell you? I want to get moving, you know. Yeah, move away there.
You saw them straight in the road.
Tell you what going on. You think I joke with this man. I mean, parody, you know.
You say paranoid, you man going to be the area. Oh, we get too freaky. Well,
You know about the fertilizer what the man them down center man, down the country. And when the man them fertilize them farm with it, a beer fly. When the man them test the fertilizer, human shit make the manure. Come in here. You check what? You check we black man a fool. Eh? You check we black man a fool. We don't have nothing too much compatible here. We have country food in the bush. Bush rat. Bush mongoose, bush insects. You say cricket? Cricket are national dish, you know.
for your one.
You stay there. Ball fever for Rasta, you know. I want to pretty chop more Rasta. I want to run down Rasta food more anybody else want. Uno. Rasta don't yam chicken back. Rasta don't yam chicken back. Rasta make veggie chunks. Cauliflower, cauli liquid. I want to run it down back a Rasta. That's about a black man make it. A black man make this come from China. A Rasta create that thing. I want to tell Rasta where Rasta thing come from. You see who no black man? Who no head? You see who no head? Eh? Well last. You see chicken back pass road there. And no fish and lobster and
Boom.
and no fish and lobster and mutton and most rice and all them something pass on you. No lobster the way you sell a sea. You pass yourself. Eh? You know what
This is how we clap
You know,
that.
say everybody
I jungle them down a river.
But everybody enjoy I saw a little toad in the river down on the jungle again, you know. So a little toad, this a little tail back at them, you know. They call it tadpole. A tadfish.
Then tadpole, no, the young one for the frog them.
Them are the codfish and a pole, you know, codfish. You call them a type of fish, a codfish. Yeah.
Curry me can't manage that rooster I know say look like a me and parents, you know.
Look like you could have boiled soup now.
I'm for my boy man, look upon him when he look nice. Over Miss Luffy in buy him. Oh Jesus God Almighty. Who?
Back in the days.
Back in the days. Oh. Woo! Hey, what? Come here.
Back like you with coast class. Yo.
Oh, at the bulla, come with some of the bulla and give them. You just determined to come up for the bulla them, so you can't wait. Alan, you not feed them.
Alan bias.
But me, Alan, when me come, you there over there, so we.
Every morning and you there worry, you know.
Yeah?
You feed them, man.
Yeah, man, you say she look buff. Oh, him, a man this. Oh, he look buff. Where the end there, and then they always come round when me come. When you treat your young ones, them go, that's how it go. What? Alan, you name the rooster, yeah? Alan, you met the people on YouTube that cuss me for your pussy, no? Say the pussy have too much ribs, me too wicked. She happy, mind she pregnant, you know? See the little Enya? And my collection, this in a party. So they know me, you know, my voice, they know my voice. Come with some bull, give them. But I'm not, come and fall, never stop eat still, you know? Then crack, yeah, full. How for this one, yeah?
Game fowl, this is a game cock.
How you look warlike?
Real warred. Real warred. Game fowl.
She,
This is the type cock they raise.
yeah. You see the difference in that one, yeah, man, and the other one. Watch him, watch him.
Game fowl, man. Warred, man.
Watch this little one, you know.
You know, otherwise, but you war the other cock.
Yeah, you can't see say it war. See it there, you see it, you see it. You're too terrible.
Yeah.
Go be ever see them war? Come and fall ever see them fight? Where? Eh? Oh, YouTube. I steal this? They not stop up the road? Oh, they stop up their land? Are you the one? Hey! Well, them not take up? Oh, Miss Ping. How name so? Me say it's like throw some more in the everything we throw out there, him alone forget it.
You in the school like all them, man.
Yeah, man, then game foul, yeah. I don't want you to look whole. When you look whole and bow shoe. They don't pick your cob. Be a war, you know. See them two there gully Terence. Ah boy, them two are like, yeah, man. I wish part around the road that them pass them one another. With the van. Feel like something that come up. Go from here, someone. You love fight too much. Move! Yawa. When you try go on a hill, can a hill not here? Terrible. I want terrible breed of all about you have here, you know. What about you feed them?
Picnic. I'm a big man and big woman.
How much of them you have, Curry?
A 6 of them per for me. Big man and big woman them.
Oh,
Yeah.
you get grand?
3 grand.
Oh.
You understand? You come tell me about picnic. The grand picnic, my picnic. You understand?
I want three, all girl or boy?
Boy and girl.
I will get grand pitney.
My
Your daughter.
Yeah, give me 2 and my boy give me 1 up. Boy, so.
What's that, oh, Davian?
Garfield, man.
Oh, your big boy. Oh. So you go and Curry, you have enough more to get, man.
Yeah, that boy, them don't know what I'm to then seed bag and then cut
You know what?
Just look on you, me say women me just cut me off a woman and go woman a pastor tell me what me never answer him. Because me nothing to it. Don't tell me now the.
When you say plug in and there's not keeping no charge.
No farmer charge.
I mean, in done.
And the boy tick on the house.
That a year, boy.
Yeah. You know, say tick.
No, you know, so me I come here, me never see him.
Not really not charge. But after I take up one whole plank in my life, going to whole charge. Eh? Going more whole charge.
Oh, Lord.
And the woman charge are done. You understand? And take up my son. I go and tell the woman about the club about what I did.